Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer, Devanuz Asuquo. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I got to retouch this image using my action. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos coming up. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So this is actually the image I want to use. So before starting anything, you need to duplicate this layer right here, which I'm going to drag it down here to duplicate it. So after duplicating this layer, I will now come to my action. So I'll now drop a link on the description box, because if you're interested getting the action, you can actually click that. So what I'm going to do here is that I'll just click on the frequency separation 16-bit, because my picture is at 16-bit. So I'll just click it. So after clicking the action, it's actually loading. So after loading, it's going to show me where I should input my radius, which I want to, the Gaussian blur radius, which I'm going to use for. So after doing that, I'll just hit OK, and it's done processing. So this is the high frequency layer, which takes care of the texture, and this is the low frequency layer, which takes care of the skin color. So what I'm going to do, I'll select the low frequency because I want to start brushing right now. So I'll just zoom into my image. So once I'm done with that, I'll pick the mixer brush, and make sure your mixer brush is on a clean brush, and the weight should be 30, the load should be 30, and the mix should be 30, and flow also should be 30. So once you're done with that settings, you're good to brush. So I'll just start brushing the image. So I don't want this image to look more like a cartoon, so I'm just going to take it mild on it. Just a simple and easy brushing technique, which I'm going to use here. So after that, if I come right here, now see it actually did something on it. So I'll pick on my chrome stamp just to pick some blemishes here. So I'll just pick this. Her face wasn't really showing much because of the nature of the picture. So actually I'm done with the face now, so I'll just dive into the neck and other part of the skin. So I'll just pick these few blemishes right here. So I actually told you that I like, in my previous videos I made mention that I like using the chrome stamp because it doesn't leave scar on the image. So that's why I prefer using the chrome stamp. So I just pick this. So while I'm brushing, I'll just come. So I'll pick a little bit of this point out of it. So once I'm done with this, I'll just come pick my mixer brush. Then I'll start brushing. Sorry guys. Okay, so I'll come and select the low frequency layer, and I'll start brushing. So while doing yours, you need to take your time and brush. It's actually a tutorial video, that's why I'm brushing, so I'll meet up with time. So what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to blend the highlight and the shadow. So while doing yours, you don't need to get rid of any. So just try blending the two, because if you get rid of it, like if you see a particular part being dark and you want to make it bright by picking the highlight color to paint on the shadows, so you actually flatten your image and it won't really look nice. So what you need to be doing is you need to be blending the highlight and the shadows together, not getting rid of one. So I'll just brush, come right here, then so I just come the brush a bit, then I'll now get to fingers, then I'll just make a little bit brush into it, because I said earlier I don't want this image to look like a cartoon effect, so I just want the mild brushing on it. So that's why I'm not really brushing that part hard, so I'm just taking it lightly on the areas. So I'll now get to this other part of the hand. I'll now come to the eye frequency, then pick on a clone stamp, then I'll just pick blemishes that are here. So I'll just come here, I'll pick the blemishes. So once I'm done, I'll come right to the low frequency layer. I'll now pick on my mixer brush again. I'll now start brushing. So while doing yours, you need to be very careful. Don't mix highlight and shadows. Try blending them, and try not to get rid of any. So I'll come to this part, then I'll just do a little bit brushing to it to make it look smooth. So the belly also, I'll just make a little bit brushing to it to let it look smooth than how it was. So I'll just brush this part also, the bits of it. So I'll brush. And this white stuff over here, actually come pick the clone stamp, then I make sure I'm on the high frequency layer, then I'll just pick it off. So after picking it, I'll come to the low frequency, then I'll pick the mixer brush also, then I'll just brush. You can see. So this is actually how I got to do it. So you can see the before and after of the skin. So this is how I got to retouch my image. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. So if you actually watch my previous video on how to edit a full image and the retouching aspect wasn't really clear to you, you can actually click on the link on my description box to get the link to actually get my action. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.